palitan.
Inani yun. Kanang pagkaon, grabe na ni.
Ang sansin? Green leafy vegetables.
Silver beef.
Silver beet. Nami chicken macaroni. Fish. Pork belly.
Napakoy sa
Nami.
banana dito.
Purple yam. Ubi roll. Ha kay maapil jud imong daw.
Aw.
Di para
Mandarin na siya.
Mandarin. Kani may bayabas. Unsa man ni? Ang mandarin.
Mandarin na siya.
Okay.
Ano yung apil?
Okay. Bayabas. Oh. Usa lang para naata mataas-taas itong vlog ba?
Ah, siya ikaw.
Shy. Order na ta. Just cut it, please. Harvesting jackfruit, but I don't have anything. I don't have a knife. How will I do this in?
No, we already have jackfruits that we pick up, so... What?
Green ants. Okay, forget about that. Look! I'm not kidding. Look at the green ants in. Look.
Yay.
Ayay, giatak ko green ants. Okay. Guys, bag. Next, longan. See? It looks like a shape of a lanzones.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll open it. See? It looks like lanzones.
Sure.
Don't worry about my nail polish. I had it done last Saturday. Look at it now.
Where's the longan?
Can you see? Eh. Mmm.
Sweet eye.
Oh, I like it. It's good for smoothies, you think?
It has seeds, so it takes a lot of work.
So how long do I have to wait before I can harvest?
Give it a few months.
December. Go. Guys, harvesting lemoncito.
Again, show me.
Wow! Look at my bag. But I will not take all. Because this will be good for a kumquat jam.
Yay, shy pas manang.
Make sure ako sa check kung zipper. Okay. It's good.
It's good to hear here.
Oh, wow, kabig. Okay. Yay!
Yan sa man magdala ka aning lubi.
Ako kabalo mo kat-kat hindi. Nga, tanawa ko. Kutob lang di ka.
Sige, practice sa. Practice sa kat-kat. Pwede ba?
Anak ra kutob.
Again.
Di ra jud kutob ra jud dire. Oh. Tawa. Hindi have kamunggay. I-complete na lang dyan eh. Oops, ang neighboring dog. Nasuko sin.
Masuko.
Thanks a lot. Naon na ta sin kay gikapoy na ta.
Mga una pa ta. Mut ko.
Hi, fingers. Hello. Oh, shy. Shy naman. Wait.
I'm just showing you, Che.
What is this?
Monstera Thai Constellation.
Lord, this is the expensive ones you bought from the tricks.
Yeah.
It's pretty good, huh? When you buy this?
PVC pipe.
No, I mean, that's the husk.
Bunnings.
How much?
$12, I think.
Wala ka nice, eh. Monstera, that's variegated, huh?
Yeah, I think this is the albo. I got this from a private nursery. I think I
Nice
paid around
one.
$150 on it.
Si Rob. And that one, 185.
189.
Oh, see,
I paid
for-
189 for that one. That
Ala,
hurts
oy.
high.
Kanay sa
Anyway.
plant.
Oh, what do you
call this plant, Sin?
I have no idea. I forgot the name. Would you
Green
like one?
plant. Oh, yes, please. Thank you. With the green.
The green pot.
Okay. Ang saan isin unboxing?
Unboxing, it's not in a box. Unwrapping. Ko ano.
Pag reels.
Magbuot man.
Sige, go. Kanang ay tayo sin nang makita diri ang kuan bingat. Oh, sige, anak.
Makita. I'm having a big slice.
Yes,
Yay.
of course.
Oh, oopsie. That did not work out well, but that's
That's okay.
fine.
Excited ko ba?
And so,
Tada! Picture. Kalamit sin.
lamig lagi.
Ubig yun siya. Ubig yun.
I'll buy tomorrow.
Hindi, tagay kong bush lemon ha.
Tagpiso usa.
Apiskot. Paslimang ko nun isin.
Paslim. Os kabarel yung kinahanglan ni mo dahil muragdagan kay kinahanglan ni mo buslim.
Grabe na ba tagikaon ganiha? May na lang maslim after pagkaon.
Mag lemon water na ka.
Lemon water. Lemon water na ko. Unsa ang mga water? Warm water or cold water?
Water tubig.
Water tubig. So, salamat. Naka-harvest. Nagikuanin ko ang dere.
Nanulong.
Ang hacienda.
Nanulong.
Nanulong. Feeling yun. So, salamat kayo in taon. Nagi kind-hearted. May na lang. Mag-ampo tang maslim na gitaan.
Kita pantiyan sa buang.
Ako lang nang i-edit. Sin.
Ayaw, yapi lang na.
Harvest in town ko dili. Ay,
Lagi panglabay.
maligid-ligid lagi na sila niya. So, salamat taon na apag ko jackfruit.
Pakitan jackfruit be.
Kumplito na jud kay ni. Hindi ba ni hinug ay nagreklamo pa.
Hilas ba oy may gitagaan.
Tanawa dili sulod guys. Halos lang hurot na ni kuan. Okay ra. Kita na oh. See? Ako na ang mga
Naka-van-tour naman ka no?
wala pa oy, di pa na ako naipakita guys.
Ang sa isod sa imong refrigerator.
Wala sure.
Gusto ka chocolate ako daghan.
Ha?
Nag-under na siya wa.
Wala man siya kaandar. Unsang klase nga chocolate?
Toblerone o Ferrero.
Ay pang dato man na mo daw.
Buisit.
Ay, ginawa ko.
Pagtarong ba? Magkuha tag
Okay
chocolate?
na, magkotag chocolate. Kompleto na lang di. Na lang kita maulaw guys kay ina na. Papanahon ako sa kuhan di. Unsay akong gisulod dili. Oh,
Ang sa isod sa ato ang traveling
Akong na-bring-
camper van.
na bring house na ko from Cindy ang office chair. Napay kuan dito.
Portable
Portable
table.
table. Napakay mga cosmetic organizer, mga makeup organizer. Napakay kuan di ta ko pero ako ana. Nay. So pag bunawon sin mo bitong di kay ko tigpalitan. So sa di ba?
Ang buton sa
Not you?
not you. Inani yun yung Inani yun yung mga pobre wa na kailaon saon pag-pronounce.
Nansyo?
Ambot. Google it.
Mo gina problema dyan ko sa kuan. Pero
Onya, unsaon nimo pagsira ano imong van be? Sige, pakita mi, pakita. Ah. Maning kamot yun. Tugad-tugad ka, camper van di kaabot. Sige, show and tell na ni imong mga chocolates be.
This is just a part of my chocolate collection because I have more chocolates in my office there. So I have here cranberry and pistachio chocolate. This is from Coffee Works.
All right.
And I have the magic chili.
Magic
milk
chili?
Also from Coffee Works. And dark chocolate. And I've got Ferrero. And Toblerone.
True.
Lindt.
Oh. Have you tried the Lindt pistachio?
I haven't.
I want to
Oh,
buy
this is
one.
for baking. That's baking chocolate. So
Okay.
that's if I want to bake a cake.
But can you eat it by itself without baking, or
I
what
haven't
is it?
tried. I always mix it with chocolate cake. And that's Cadbury favorites.
Cadbury favorites.
What else? I've got
Lindt.
salted caramel.
Oh wow.
Supreme Dark 90%.
So
Lindt.
it's bitter.
Yeah.
Who's eating?
Me.
Bitter?
I'm not eating it in one go. I just little
Oh.
bit. So this is also Lindt 95%.
Oh.
Ultimate Dark. And
So
this-
95%. What's the 5%? Why is that called 90%, 95%?
I have no idea.
Coco?
And this is also Lindt 90% Cocoa Supreme Dark.
Okay.
So 2 of the Supreme Dark, 2 of that, and then 1 Ultimate
Oh
Dark.
ma.
I don't know
Yes.
if you want to try.
Yeah.
So, they gave us a fridge magnet.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Guys, you should try Coffee Works. There.
Where's Coffee Works? Mariba.
Mariba.
All right.
So, which one you want?
Oh, what's this?
We can share that.
Dark. Oh, pistachio scene. Oh, I
Yeah,
like
we can
that one.
share. We can share that.
Okay.
Do you want one of these?
No,
dark?
thank you. Because I don't even drink coffee.
Ay, sus, Ginoo.
Mga bitter man na.
Do you want some of this?
Yes,
Ferrero?
please.
You can have that
Oh,
one.
thank
I'll have
you.
the big one. Yeah, and we'll
Only
just
a
cut
tiny
it
bit.
in half.
Yeah, tiny bit.
I just crack it in half.
Okay, crack. Some effects. ASMR.
So I'll put it in another bag.
Okay.
Very good.
We should go back to Coffee Works one day.
Yeah, we should. I'll give you my schedule so
Okay.
we can arrange for the time.
Okay.
the seeds and sprouted. This is Carabao mango.
Carabao mango.
The Filipino
Alright.
variety. So,
Philippine variety.
If you have friends who like to plant Carabao mango,
Okay.
para
Ako na nag-picturean lang.
the Mahashanok.
Mahashanok.
That's the seedlings.
Okay.
you need to pungko. So, klaro na.
No need to bungko na ko hindi kay short na ko daan yan nagbungko pa ko.
Jackfruit from Cindy. Burger steak. And chicken macaroni salad. Ooh, thanks Cindy and Rob. Hey guys, let's eat. I have eggplant, rice, and this coconut water. Look, I'll show you. It's product of the Philippines. Yoo-hoo! Okay guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Shout out to Cindy for my bring house. Hasta office chair gidala. Ang desk gidala po.
Yan sa man magkuha tag tanom.
Grabe. Unsa ka tan? Ay, ala pa buhi asa.
Pabuhi asa.
Ay mamatay man pero may akong tanong. See, how come you don't have birds today? You usually have a lot.
Gusto kag birds para mangitis imong ulo.